y equals to 180, and y equals to each other. 3x equals to that. Make sure they're explained. If you don't understand, make sure you ask questions in class, okay? And these are the two problems I believe we did in class earlier. Make sure you pick 2 points and then use point slope for each one. And I will continue to explain number 9 and the rest of these for those of you who are having a harder time with this. What you need to do is circle the dots, draw a line in the middle of that circle, or about the middle. This is called the line of best fit. Okay, now once you get that, you can erase that. You can choose the dots that's there, or you can choose your own dots. For example, I can choose 1.5 and 8, or I can make this new dot right here that's close enough, and 0, 8. Probably use 0, 8, it's an easier number. And then I'll probably use 8, 4 here to deal with. If I don't have to use decimals, I won't. I can also choose here 6, 5. If I have to, go ahead and use this is 4, 6. Use the decimal, but in this case I don't have to. Let's use these two numbers here. Use the point slope formula. Remember to use point slope formula, which is y2, y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay. Let's find slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is 5 minus 4 over 6 minus 8. M equals to 1 over negative 2. Okay, so here, or negative 0.5, whichever you want to use. Let's use the decimal. Y minus, pick a point that you've used, not all the other one, but pick one of the two you've used. I'll pick 8 and 4. Okay, y minus 4 equals the slope negative 0.5. X minus 8. Y minus 4 equals, use your calculator for this stuff if you have a hard time multiplying that. That equals to a positive 4. Okay. Add 4. Add 4. Y equals to negative 0.5x plus 8. Okay? That's how you do that. Same thing for the next problem. Right here. Circle it. Okay, no, that's not quite half. Right there is good enough. This is called line of best fit. Okay, choose 2 points. Give me 2. Let's see. None of them are really good, you know. Okay, we just need to choose decimals. That one is 2.5 and 3. And another one is choose that one. Let's see. 8.5 and 9. Point slope, so we need to find slope first. Y2, so 9 minus y1, 3 over x2, which is 8.5 minus 2.5. So you get 6 over 6, right? 6 over 6. 1, 2, yeah, 6 over 6. This is 1. There it is. 1 equals to 1. So, now remember, depending on the points you choose, your line of best fit, your slope can be different than this. Okay? The slope do not need to be the same. Close, but not the same. So you draw your line and you choose your points. So your line will be different than mine. I expect it to be different. I expect the answers to be different based on the slope. So the y minus y1, if you're just copying this, it's not good. Alright? Y minus 9, I'm going to choose this one, equals to 1 parentheses x minus 8.5. So your y minus 9 equals to 1x minus 8.5. Add 9. Y equals to x plus 0.5. That's your answer. Okay, that's how you do them. Again, this one here. Like that. That's my line of best fit. Alrighty, let's choose. These are not good lines again. Oh, 3, 3. Two good ones. And 9/8, that's close enough. 9/8 is close enough to that line. You can use the decimal one. I'm going to choose 9/8 then. Easier for me. 8 minus 3, y2 minus y1, 8 minus 3, 9 minus 3. So that's 5 over 6. Okay, 5 over 6. Alright. Point 5 over 6 is what? It's a decimal repeating number. 8.33. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus, she's 3, 3. 3 equals 2. M parentheses, m is 5 over 6. X okay. Y minus 3 equals to 5 over 6x. Cross cancel, that gives a 2, that's a 1. A minus 5 over 2. Add 3. Now 5 over 2 is 2 and 1 over 4. 2 and 1 over 2. That leaves y equals to 5 over 6x plus a half. You need to subtract this. 3 minus 2 and a half is 1 and a half. Because 2 and a half add 1 and a half makes 3. So that's your answer if you're working with fractions. You change it to a decimal dispute and you still get a decimal. If you're good with fractions, work with fractions. If not, change it to a decimal. Don't matter. That's about half. So I'm going to choose this dot, 0, 9, and let's see, 0, 9, and let's say, alright, let's do decimal. No, I don't want both of them to be decimal. Let's even this. No, it's not a good one either. This one here, 6 and 6.5. Alright. So you find slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Change in y over the change in x. Y went from 9 to 6.5, and 0, x went from 0 to 6. So you would get 2.5 over negative 6. And that also will give you a decimal. 2.5 divided by 6. 4.1. Let's just round this, okay? 4.2. So m is about 4.2. 0.42. I'm going to use the rounded one. Otherwise it gets too complicated. Y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus, I'll use 0, 9. 9 equals to m parentheses x minus 0. Y minus 9 equals to m 0.42 negative 0.42. Even though I forgot the negative here, I know it was negative because it's going down. X plus 0 plus 9 plus 9. Y equals to negative 0.42x plus 9. Okay,